First of all, I would like to thank you for attending this short demonstration of Sensiwave. Basically, Sensiwave is a comprehensive turnkey solution to implement your cybersecurity awareness campaigns. Sensiwave is the only solution which allows you to use a library of contents, customize it in detail, and implement a campaign exactly as you require. Essentially, with Sensiwave, you will be able to select an off-the-shelf campaign, tailor the modules, including changing the structure of the modules, modify or add alternative quizzes, upload your own media, and customize landing pages. You will be able to target your campaign to all of your employees or to a selection of them, according to the criteria which you define. You will also be able to send invitations and reminder emails during your campaigns. Of course, you will also be able to collect and analyze the statistics of your campaign. Let's start the demo. When you connect to your administrator account, you arrive at this dashboard where you can see an overview of the activity of your campaigns. You can see a menu on the left where all of the functions you will need are located. With Sensiwave, you can have several managers within the same subscription. These managers may have different roles, and you have the possibility of attributing roles to them according to your organization and business needs. For your users' enrollment, you can upload a CSV file. This file can include as many fields as you need. These fields will be used to target your users or to generate statistics according to the filters which you create with them. It is also possible to enroll users by the means of scripts, which automatically upload users' databases. When you want to implement a campaign, the simplest way to proceed is by using our Wizard 123. With Wizard 123, you choose among phishing, compliance, and awareness off-the-shelf campaigns. Let's say I choose the Awareness Microlearning campaign about ransomware. I tick this campaign and click on the Next button. Then I give a name to the campaign. Select a period of activity, the name which will be used as email sender, and the sender email address. I click on the Next button. My campaign is created. You now have the choice between enrolling users to this campaign or editing the campaign to customize it according to your needs. When you click on the Edit button, you are directed to the campaign page. At the top of this page, you have general information about the campaign. Below, you have the list of modules included in the campaign. Here you can see there is only the microlearning module about ransomware. You can accord a level of validation to your campaign. This level, available for each module of the campaign, is constituted of a completion score and a success score. Here you can see that in order to validate the module, a user must complete the module entirely and have a success score of 60% in his or her answers to the quiz. Of course, you can change these levels. On the right-hand side, you have the languages available for this campaign. For each language, you have a landing page which can be edited. The landing page is the page at which a user arrives when he connects to the campaign. Let's edit the English landing page. Sensiwave integrates a professional editor, which helps you create or customize landing pages. You can structure the page as you want. If needed, you can select an element of the page and change its color, typography, and so on. It is therefore possible to tailor the pages in order to replicate your company's house style. If you want to add other modules to this campaign, it is also possible. As you can see, this page is responsive, and you can view it from a smartphone, tablet, or PC. Back to the campaign, you can also edit the ransomware module to customize it as required. You can then edit the course in each available language. Let's edit it in English. Sensiwave includes the H5P e-learning tools library. It is a very powerful tool that allows the implementation of a various set of e-learning components and activities. Each module is comprised of a set of slides. In this case, it is just a sequence of 3 slides, 1 for the video and 2 for the 2 quizzes. At the top, you have the different activities which you may want to include in a slide: text, image, video, single-choice questions, multiple-choice questions, true-false questions, interactive video, fill in the blank questions, and so on. At the bottom, you have buttons to add a slide, change the sequence of the slides, change colors, etc. Let's suppose you want to customize the first quiz. You just have to select it and double-click on it. You can then change the question, the available answers, the explanation given upon the answer, and so on. Of course, you can subsequently have a look at the module to see if your changes have been made as expected. When you have finished customizing your landing page and the modules, you are ready to enroll users to your campaign and send them an invitation email. However, before that, I would like to take some time to show you some very powerful kind of modules you can use with Sensiwave, those being interactive videos. Let's have a look at an interactive video. If I play this video, you can see some points at the bottom of the video. Each of them corresponds to a specific activity in the video. Let's have a look at some of them. In the first one, you have to react to the risk you may identify. In the second one, you just have to answer a quiz. And finally, for the last one, a fill-in-the-blank activity is proposed to you. This kind of video really improves the commitment of the users. They are much more involved in such a video than they are when they just have to watch it and only answer a quiz after. With Sensiwave, introducing such activities within your videos is very simple. Let's go back to the editing mode of the video. We just have to double-click on it and go to step 2, where interactions are added. You just have to put the cursor at the place in the video where you want to add your interaction and choose the relevant one in the list above. Now that you've seen how simple it is to implement an interactive video, let's go back to our campaign. We are ready to enroll our users. At this step, you may enroll all of the users in your database or use some filters based on the field of your database to select only a part of it. Imagine you want to target only the sales department. You just have to select it on the list. Only users of this department will then be enrolled to the campaign. You are now ready to send an invitation email to these users. You can use a model of emails, which of course can be customized, or create one from scratch. If you choose a model, you will be able to edit it with a similar editor you used for your landing page's customization. Your invitation email will contain a button linked to a specific function that will put a unique authentication link into each email. This link will allow users to be connected and automatically identified by Sensiwave. If a connection to your SSO is implemented, this link can be the same for everybody. You are now ready to send it. You can choose to send it to all the users of your campaign or only to users who never connected or have not finished the campaign yet. These two last actions are useful for reminder emails. It is possible to send the email immediately or program a date when the email will be sent. Your campaign is now launched. Users can connect to it and follow the modules which you have prepared for them. You can then access the statistics of the campaign and get different kinds of data according to the fields which you added to the user's database. Before leaving this demo, let's have a look at the user side. If a user is enrolled onto several campaigns, he will arrive at such a screen with all the relevant campaigns and their respective states of completion. To access a campaign, he just has to click on it. He then arrives at the landing page and can follow the module. We have reached the end of the demo. Thanks a lot for attending. For any further information or to access a test account, do not hesitate to contact us. We are looking forward to hearing from you. See you soon.